Hi, and welcome to Striking Effects Promotions. Today we want to take a minute and talk a little bit about embroidery. If you take a look, and you'll notice that we've got hanging here is an embroidered bag, which allows us to take a design or a logo, multiple colors, up to 15 colors of thread available. It's on a bag, as you can see here. The same logo resized is on a shirt. So it shows that the versatility of embroidery is very significant. The nice other piece about embroidery is it gives an entirely different look than screen printing. The other nice part about it is that you can do one shirt in embroidery. It's an easier, more cost-effective way of putting certain designs on than in screen printing. The fixed cost in embroidery is what we call digitizing. And digitizing is the process of taking your artwork and turning it into stitches. That cost is a one-time cost to set your artwork up, and as long as you don't change your artwork, that disc can be used over and over and over again on multiple items. You can use it on bags, you can then move it over and use it on shirts. You can do so many different things with it that cost over time becomes negligible to the individual doing the job. And now we want to take a look at how we can take some very complex designs in embroidery and put them onto a piece of material. We have one design that we're particularly proud of here that we have done for Disney. In this particular design, which was done for Star Wars weekends, you can see that Disney has incorporated many of its characteristics with the glove and the paintbrush and the ears on a Darth Vader mask. And you can see Mickey and Darth Vader, they're sword fighting at the top of the mask. But what you can really tell is the ability to do gradations and colors. And the look that you end up getting with this is something that you really can't achieve any other way, because the embroidery gives you a dimensional look that you normally wouldn't get in screen printing. When you're looking for an embroider, one of the things that you want to do is, if you're doing large embroidered pieces, is to be able to cut down on the stitch count as well as change the look of a particular design. One of the best ways to do that is with applique. One of the things that allows us to be able to do applique the way we do it today is the fact that we have a laser engraver which allows us to cut the applique out. Having a laser engraver to cut applique does one very important thing. Material, when you cut it, tends to fray along the ends, and it makes it difficult to work with. The laser actually cuts the material using heat, and it seals the edges of all of the material, therefore it doesn't fray, giving a really clean edge to work with when you're sewing items down. So let's recap embroidery. Embroidery has the connotation of quality, and it's a great way to put logos on apparel. Once a design has been digitized, using it in small quantities and doing runs of 1, 2, or 3 shirts is very economical and affordable. Keep in mind that embroidery can be done on several different types of material: cotton, polyester, as well as leather, canvas, and nylon. And then applique adds a special and unique touch to embroidery. One of the things that applique does is reduce the need for stitch count on large design, as well as it provides a design with a unique look and texture. So when you're thinking of embroidery, think of Striking Effects Promotions.